Here's the app called TurboCleaner AI Scan Engine. So this is the app to clean up iPhone storage, delete similar photos and videos effortless, one-click cleaning, clear videos to free up space, scan similar photos. So that's the idea. We never upload any user-specific information. All data is stored locally and securely. We provide the function of scanning photos. You can scan and quickly organize similar and identical photos and similar and identical videos in your mobile phone. Make sure you have a clean and tidy storage space when operating your mobile phone album. Subscriptions can be turned off at any time for free. Get the pro version on the app now and analyze your account when you need it. So that's the idea. And then you can just tap get and then just double click to install it. And so then you can just open it up. And then here you have it. And then you can just free up more storage space and you can just continue, remove duplicates, and then you can just set it up. Here you can find similar images, similar videos, network tests, same video, same kind of with the help of this app, is the help of AI technology in here. So that's what you have. So I don't know actually if you should give access to your photos with this app, because it only has 85 ratings and it's kind of a Chinese app, but it's climbing the charts. Let's see how it develops.